First shot of the day. Let's go. I just saw these little chairs. You line them up. Kind of like this. I mean, you can play around. Different size. Wish I had a wider lens, but it is what it is. We'll get something. 35mm, just barely enough to get this boat in. Alright, next time I'm bringing something wider. I think we're going there. I got a boat over here, a little higher. Wow, it's so hard to fit things in a 35mm lens. It's a little tricky because the sun is behind. Let's get the bubble too. Like this. Got the sails behind, and she's like right in the middle. So I'm gonna line things up so that you can see the building and the bridge. Alright. Yeah, getting some good shots, Rich. I just want to capture these buildings as well as the signs. Shot like that. So I found some elements like this green kind of. I'm gonna focus on the piano player. See these bubbles? Oh, sorry.
That's for professionals.
Oh, I also like the leading lines, you see? Kind of like this. Not sure if I'm gonna get anything here, but I don't know what I'm doing. Should get some nice shots here. Ooh. Alright, let's start looking. I already see an interesting shot. Kind of like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow. This is when you need a zoom lens. That'd be a really cool shot. Well, not today. So you see, this way I'm gonna get, if I go low, I'm gonna get a lot of the ceiling. And if you go like this, you get a bit extra of the columns and ceiling. That's it. I was just telling Rich, if this was empty, like there was no people, but I'm gonna try it and just see. 1, 2, 3. And I saw this, and I'm like, whoa! Focus on the flag. Yeah, this lens is not wide enough, so it's tricky.
Eran los puntos más altos de las ciudades. En el caso de esta iniciativa, ¿quién le va a quitar el puesto?
So I saw something there, not sure what, but let's take a picture and then we'll see what it's all about. So I'm trying to get this old architecture and the new. It's a little tricky, but you get the point. And try and get both buildings. Alright. get this. I'm not sure about this. How do you pronounce it?
Oculus.
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 Oculus. The Oculus. 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 In Japanese, Oculus.
Uh-huh. It's like you're looking through this opening kind of. You have reflection. Sirens. I want to keep the tree leaves in the shot, in the frame. So there was a bunch of people walking. It's like a leading line in a way. So you see the leading line. Maybe I should have gotten him. Yeah, like something there. Oh, that's really close. That's because they're friendly. I'm gonna try to be very slow. Be very gentle, get a little bit closer. Wow, that is. I've never been closer to a squirrel than this. Bye. So I see the benches. So the trick is to get the shadows of the benches.